So this is an interesting thing. Just off the side of the road, outside this small village, Busan, near Chiang Mai city, there's an airplane graveyard of sorts. See, this is more or less almost an entire plane. And I'm not sure exactly what's going on with this thing. What I was told is that at somebody drinking beer out here. Somebody was planning to build a like a cafe. Maybe, you know, put one of these airplanes together as a non-functional unit and turn the inside of it into like a coffee shop or something. That's kind of interesting. But I guess pretty much abandoned now. It must have been quite a bit of work to get them out here, because there's a small airfield nearby here. You know, like little Cessnas and stuff land on. But the big airport's a good 30 minutes, 40 minutes drive by car from here. So I think that's an airport bus as well. Yeah. Yeah, I think so. That's like a shuttle that takes you around the airport. Anyway, I'm gonna walk back here and check it out. So this is my first time coming here. I've been aware of it for a few years, but haven't come in person to check it out. So, here we go. Dude spreading rice. Hello.
Hello.
Feeding the birds.
Yeah.
Rice birds. I think they're egrets or something like that. Yeah, here we got another one of these airport shuttle buses. Actually, I've never seen these in use. Oh, maybe I have. I forgot. At Chiang Mai airport. But I think mostly they're from the Bangkok airport, like take you from one terminal to another. Steel plates. Little footbridge over there, that's pretty cool. Actually, it looks like it's made out of like some sort of miscellaneous parts. Some sort of tower. So we got some more airplane parts over here. A lot of people hang out under there, use it for a shade shelter sometimes. Got some pots and pans. Whole fuselage there. It's a little kitchen unit. Kind of the back part of the fuselage there. The color scheme looks like Thai Airways. This kind of looks like it might be the bottom part from that other top part there. Hey birdies. This seems like they could set up a kind of cool tourist attraction or something. Yeah. I'm gonna go have a look at these. Some parts over there too. I'm curious if they'll ever make something of this. I know that in Bangkok there's a sort of a like a cafe in an old jet. I haven't been to, but stayed nearby it for a while and checked it out on the internet. My assumption and what I was told is that they were going to do something like that with this stuff. turn it into some sort of a tourist attraction. But most of this stuff's been here for several years. I ain't done anything with it. They've done a little bit lately, organizing parts, clearing the ground. Looks like they've been sanding and grinding this one, taking all the paint off. Oh, I might get brave and climb up in there. This big piece here, wow. I'm guessing this must belong to some owner of some construction company or something. But with all these other dump trucks and excavation equipment and stuff. Check out the backside here. Oh yeah, got the cockpit up in there. Yeah, nice. Got a little hangout spot, shade. It's getting kind of hot out here. I'm gonna go under here, get some shade. Maybe see if I can climb up in here and check it out. Oh, some old paper maps. That's awesome. Ephemera. Huh. Quite interesting. I think I can hop up here. Yeah, I'll do it. Yeah, no problem. Rad. Up here in the cockpit of this plane, pretty much stripped out. The emergency exit here. Here's where I jumped on that bench and then propped myself up here. Interesting. Anyway, better let myself back down. See how I go. So yeah, it looks like there's been some movement here lately. I mean, this is all fresh dirt. So it looks like they were grading and propped this thing up on these tires, dunnage. I wonder if there's going to be some progress with this. I don't know. Have to check on it again in a couple of years. That could be the cargo hold. Huh. Chill out here in the shade for a minute. Getting hot. It's about getting close to noon now. Probably mid 80s temperature. Dump trucks going by. looks like an old Thai Airways jet. It says Chiang Mai right there. This one looks like it's still got some seats and stuff in it. And they got some wings from other planes. A bunch of junked pickup trucks, dump trucks. Pretty cool. Classic Hino. This looks like it could be a rad project. Pieces of jet engines, cases. Over here we got another one of those terminal shuttle buses. It's looking like if I want to get up in the plane, that's probably the way to go. Up that scaffold there, I'm not sure. Pigeon hanging out. Nope, I don't see any entrance there. Over here. I could jump and pull myself up there. Yeah, like this is a shady hangout at the makings of a dinner area and a bar. Yeah, like this is probably the way to go. Up here, boom, boom, boom. Let's see. Throwing some big ass tires up here. Some junk. Looks like, yeah, this must be the cargo hold. It doesn't look like I can get from here up into the cabin. I might skip this part and go try another part. Let's see. Ugh, got my tetanus shot. This looks like more of the cargo hold. I think I might be pushing my luck if I go up in there. Might want to mind my own business, I don't know. Curious to get up in there, but it ain't the first airplane I ever been in, so it ain't that interesting. But if I could get up there, you know, that scaffold over. Alright, I chickened out. I didn't climb up in there. Pretty sure I could, but I feel like I'm pushing my luck. And being out here by myself without permission, I feel like I'm going a bit too far to try to climb up in there. Even though I could if I wanted to. Anyway, yeah. Just driving past out here and thought I'd come have a look. So here we are. Oh. Well, too late now. Photography is prohibited. Anyway, yeah, that's kind of interesting. Let's see if I can come back here in a couple years and see if there's any progress. It looks like somebody's been messing with moving this stuff around lately. Organizing parts. They got that one part all propped up just recently. Like I'd say in the past few months. Now time to move on. Time to get going. What lies ahead, I have no way of knowing.